Good morning, dear students. This is Maninder Kaur, your science teacher. Today in this class, we will cover the last pending concept of chapter acid, bases and salts. Rest chapter we have done in our last lecture, and only one concept that is pending is neutralization in everyday life. So under this concept, we are going to do the applications of neutralization. First of all, I need to remind you people that what is neutralization. Students, neutralization is a process in which an acid reacts with the base and a new compound is formed known as salt. So basically, to get rid of excessive acidity or basicity, neutralization process is adopted. So today in this class we are going to do the applications of neutralization process. So very first application is indigestion. As students, you all know that in our stomach digestion of proteins takes place, and it takes place with the help of an enzyme known as pepsin, and pepsin always acts in acidic medium. So to provide acidic medium to pepsin, our stomach releases one acid known as hydrochloric acid. So hydrochloric acid helps in the digestion of proteins basically. So what happens sometimes, the amount of acid released by our stomach increases more than the required amount. So too much acidity leads to indigestion. More the amount of acid, and it leads to the indigestion in our body. So to get rid of this excessive amount of acidity, an antacid called milk of magnesia is taken. Basically, milk of magnesia is a base known as magnesium hydroxide. When magnesium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid, a salt is formed known as magnesium chloride, and acid get neutralized. The excessive amount of acid get neutralized, so we get relief from the acidity. Now the very second application is ant sting. Students, whenever any ant or bee bites us, these injects an acid known as formic acid into our skin. And so to neutralize this acid, baking soda or calamine lotion is applied to neutralize the acid injected by the ant or bee into our body. So these both are the bases, baking soda or calamine lotion. These are applied on the bite to get rid of the pain given by the bite. Because these both are the bases, when these bases reacts with the formic acid, these neutralize the acid. Students, the next application is soil treatment. As students, most of the plants grow in neutral soil, means it should not be too much acidic, not be too much basic. But if the soil is too much acidic or too much basic, plants does not grow properly. So if the acidity of soil is more, generally farmers used to add some bases like calcium oxide, calcium hydroxide or calcium carbonate inside the soil to correct the acidity of the soil. To correct the acidity of the soil, three different type of bases are there: calcium oxide, calcium hydroxide or calcium carbonate, that are used by the farmers. But in case if the basicity of the soil is more, then farmers use manure. So to get rid of the excessive basicity of the soil, farmers use manure. So the last application is factory waste. Students, as you all know, the waste released by the factories always contain acidic substances. When these wastes are flushed into the rivers, and these can kill the aquatic life present inside the rivers. So to get rid of excessive acidic waste, these wastes are treated with the calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is a base. When these are treated with calcium hydroxide, these get neutralized. In this way, neutralization process is implemented in different areas to get rid of excessive acidity or basicity. So this was all about the neutralization in everyday life. What are the applications of the neutralization in our life? Thank you. I think the lesson will be useful for you people. Thank you. Have a nice day.